People have been asking me, Simaligas, how can I verify my account of Bitget? So this is the video. Welcome to my channel wherever you are. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you don't have a Bitget account, just go in my pinned comment or my description. You'll find that link just like this. And if you need other links like Binance, bybit and coinbase, just go in my description below and you will earn up to 7,210 in commission. So with that said, let's start the video. So once you are on Bitget account, hope you have logged in and you want to verify that account, you just come here and you go on ID verification. So here it depends which account do you want to verify. There is individual account and there is institution account. Like maybe you have an organization or factory or any company that you have an institution. But for me today, I'm going to concentrate on individual verification. So once you're here, and the things that you can get when you have verified, first of all, your daily withdrawal limit will increase up to 200 BTC daily. And fiat currency trading can be also done, maybe like pair to pair. So once your verification is done, once you're here, you first change the region where the country where you're coming from. So once you're done with that, then you verify. So when you're here, this is the country. You choose the country where you're coming from. Here you're going to put your first name, let me say like Sima Ligase, last name. Then the ID, you will choose between the passport or maybe driving license or maybe the ID that you are using in your country, depending on which country you are staying from. So here you will put the identity number. So this one is 92304567889. So once you're done with that, then you will come here and put the date of birth. So once you're done with that, so you're going to play next. So once you're here, they are saying that verify your identity. It should take a few minutes. Use your webcam or phone to photograph your identity document. So here we are going to choose the document, your face, the face of the document. So here you're going to continue with your phone. You get a secure link and send it on your phone so that you can get a secure link. So once you're here, so here you can scan or get a link via SMS or copy the link. It depends which you want. You can here copy the link. So as you can see here that I have connected to the mobile where they sent the link. So I'm going to do it. So when you are seeing here, I'm one step away from finishing. So I have uploaded my ID and now I'm going to submit my verification and my ID. So thank you. You've all done. You're set to go. Your identification information has been submitted. We will inform you as soon as the review is completed. So you will wait for like a few minutes or few hours before your verification will be allowed. So right now you can see that I'm already verified. Just within a few minutes I'm already verified. So this is my verified account and I can go up. So I can withdraw right now 200 BTC daily as my verification is done right now. So that's all. That's how you can verify your account on Bitget. Hope you have got everything fine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. You will not miss anything from Sima Crypto. I have a lot of videos on my channel, so you go and click on it. Good luck for today. Bye.